Hey, on the flip side, some top athletes are having troubles outside of sports. How the economy is changing celebrity divorces. Ooh, maybe we have the Atlanta housewife who's going through the divorce watching this morning. Yeah.
We've been talking a lot about our sour economy lately, and you might be surprised to learn how it's affecting celebrity divorces. Joining us this morning is Atlanta divorce attorney Randy Kessler. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in. And this is something that, a lot of people, we like to think about because, most of us don't have that kind of money. So in what ways have you seen that really it's hitting a lot of those people who do make those seven figures and, make all that money up there?
I think it's hitting them the same as it's hitting a lot of people. Celebrities are really a reflection of society. We're really interested in the Britney Spears case and the Anna Nicole Smith case, and I think it's just like everybody else. People are resolving their cases without spending money. If you can avoid paying a lawyer, you can get it resolved. Save your 401k, save your marriage if you can, but if you can't, save your money and save it for your kids.
Yeah, because the longer it's in court, the longer this drags out, the less, the smaller the piece of the pie you will get, isn't it?
That's exactly true. And in celebrities and entertainers in particular, they don't want to be in the news for bad things. And divorce is generally not a good thing. So if they can get it resolved, not go to court, not be on the screens, more the better.
Right, and you've represented a lot of people here in Atlanta, including Evander Holyfield, former heavyweight champion. So what's his story? Now, you actually went after him.
We went after him. We've, the people that we go against are usually in the news more than the people we represent. We want to keep them out of the news if at all possible. But even he, he has this big house and he had some financial problems and he stopped paying child support. We cleared it up real quickly and thank goodness, and I think it's going to be fine. But most of the cases don't get that far. They get a little bit of news that they're not going to be able to make it financially, and they say, you know what, how can I resolve this? Can I get a break? Can you give me a couple months to catch up? And we work it out, especially in these hard times.
Right. And now Travis Henry actually has 9 children, and you represented him in court.
Right, and he's one of those people, there's some athletes that just don't pay, and they say, you know what, drag me to court, see if you can make me pay. He's doing the right thing, I think, by trying to go to court and get a reduction before he ends up owing money. He's current, but, he's not in the NFL anymore, and he's got to do something before he ends up owing a lot of money.
Yeah. Rison, too, is another athlete that you went after?
He didn't pay for a long time, and the system worked, but it took a long time. Unfortunately, by the time we got the money, the kids were 18 and 19.
Oh, goodness.
But we got it all.
Yeah. Now, here in Georgia, laws are different because I've often heard that, you can really take someone to the cleaners here in Georgia. Is that the case? Or?
It depends on the judge, it depends on the lawyer, it depends on the facts. Every case is different, but the courts are pretty good here for divorcing families. If you need money, if you need help, the courts are going to jump in and help you here.
Yeah, there's a way to definitely get it. And also, rapper T.I., of course, we've done a lot of stories with him here on Better Mornings Atlanta. So you went after him as well, too. He wasn't paying his child support. Sometimes it's hard to believe these people with all this money don't really, well, for whatever the situation, aren't providing for their children.
That's true. And he was paying support, but it really wasn't in accordance with his ability to pay. He actually said in court that he can afford to pay any amount the judge orders, and the judge made him pay a little bit more than he'd been doing voluntarily, and so it was worthwhile. And now we have a court order, so if he doesn't pay, at least we know what the obligation is, so it was worth doing that.
All right. Great information this morning, and some nice insight as well into how the economy is affecting a lot of those celebrities out there. And it's nice to know it's not just hitting us.
It's not just us, it's hitting everybody.
All right. Randy Kessler, thank you so much.
Thanks for
having me.
This is